We're in the middle of an energy crisis and fuel costs are soaring, but for many households in one Cornish village, running the boiler is costing them nothing. Residents of Kehelland near Camborne have been offered the chance to take part in a trial, switching away from fossil fuel-based heating oil to one derived from waste cooking oil. John Danks reports.
Oil tankers are a familiar sight in rural parts of Cornwall, but this one runs on and delivers Hydrotreated Vegetable Oil, or HVO. As part of a free trial, the church and around 20 households in the village of Kehelland use it instead of heating oil.
So it's very difficult to do things like put solar panels or do insulation or even install an outside air source heat pump. So here we can use the existing boiler system, minor adjustments which can be carried out at the time that the boiler is serviced, change the fuel in the tank, and we're in business.
This renewable product is made from certified waste fat and cooking oils. Distributors of the fuel say it could enable households to cut CO2 emissions by 90% compared to oil.
The saving of the 90% CO2 is in the life cycle of the fuel. And we wanted to show that we could convert nearly a village very quickly and very cost effectively. It's very simple to convert the oil-fired boiler and then to show each resident that they're saving about 5 metric tonnes of carbon each per annum is a tremendous thing.
Participants of the trial are also saving cash, the cost being borne by the suppliers Mitchell and Webber. For the village primary school, it was a quick calculation.
This has really helped us because going forward, not only are we being environmentally friendly, but if we are able to use it in the long term, because actually it's a very efficient and effective fuel, it will save us money in the long run as well.
HVO is only allowed to be used as part of a trial. The evidence from this village will be presented to the government. Suppliers hope that duties on the fuel can be lifted, making it an affordable option for heating.
The calorific value is better than kerosene. So we're actually using slightly less to get the same amount of heat. We're getting more heat per litre out of HVO than we were out of kerosene.
Actually, all the sustainable stuff that we wanted to do as a family, we are now, getting that much further to making everything green.
The government says HVO may have a role in future decarbonisation and said it was working with the industry to establish sustainability, costs and consumer impacts. John Danks, BBC Spotlight, Kehelland.